Good morning, everyone. Joe, JLF Ranches. This morning we got a call on a D6 Next Gen. It's got about 750 hours on it, roughly. Anyways, got a call yesterday on it for the rear roller had failed for the tracks, and got out here, looked at it, ordered parts yesterday for it and whatnot. Got out here, looked, and found both rear rollers are actually shot, so waiting on parts for coming in from the other one for the customer to bring them out to me. But we got one, so we're going to go ahead and replace the one side, get the other side prepped and whatnot if they ain't here by then. But I will say I'm kind of disappointed in Caterpillar on this, on their parts quality, because this ain't the first time I've had to replace one with less than 1,000 hours on it and the bearings fail on their rollers. So I don't know what happened, but the older ones did not have this issue. But anyways, that's what we're going to be working on. We've already got the master link lined up and whatnot, so we're going to split the track and get that one off. There's the new one hanging by the crane, and we'll get it put on and go from there. All right, everyone, so we got the tracks adjusted, we got the rollers replaced and whatnot on this CAT Dozer. I'm waiting to hear back from Caterpillar on warranty status of these parts. Hopefully they warranty them for the customers, because they're pretty dang pricey, about $1,000 a piece. They may not cover my labor because I'm not a certified CAT dealer tech anymore. I used to be work for CAT for about 10 years, but got tired of the management and went out on my own. But anyways, got it all replaced, whatnot. That's how you do it. It's not a painstaking job. It's pretty easy, pretty quick to get them done, as long as you got a crane to pick them up and put them in place and whatnot, and a couple lineup bars. Pretty quick, pretty easy. Anyways, if y'all like what y'all see, feel free to leave comments, click that subscribe button, share the content. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments section. Answer best I can. Y'all have a nice day, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Thank you.